for those of you who are not familiar, we do in the RhinoCAM product, we support an SDK. In this release, Python 3 was implemented, support for that. Previously in 2024, only Python 2 was implemented. Some of Rhino itself had gone to Python 3, and so some of the users were having issues with the scripts not running correctly. So we have added the implementation support for Python 3. And then again, new method to transmit machine tool parameters to the SDK was also sent, so you can do your own, processing of the machine tool parameters. And other things, other API calls were added that people have asked us for. And the way we work on the SDK is when somebody's using the SDK and they need something, they ask us and we add new methods so we can get them going, because not many people use the SDK at this point. And number 4, that's an important one. We turned off all the interactive dialogues when an SDK is running, or SDK script is running, because if you want to run it lights out, you don't want manual intervention if there's an error, and you just want to cycle through those errors and run the next operation or next command in your script. We allow that to be done now. Any errors will be written to a log file. And then we have updated the SDK document with additional user examples as well. So
yes, that number 5 have been asked by users for more examples.